Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable Find My iPhone on the iPhone 17 Pro. So first, we're gonna go into the settings. Now here in the settings, we're gonna click on our Apple account, so right up top here, and now go over to the Find My section. Here, we will have the Find My iPhone right up top. And here all we have to do is tap on the switch here, and as you guys can see now, Find My iPhone is enabled. So we can go over to the Find My app, and here we should see our iPhone. So we can enable Send Last Location, and here we will have our phone. So that's basically how you guys can do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.